Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome to Alex Builds. We've now got stage 44 of Hero Collector and Eaglemoss's Build Your Own Ghostbusters Ecto 1. Okay, so this one is going to be a very quick video. There's not a lot to do in this one at all, but we do get a significant part. So here's the part here that I was mentioning, and we get the actual floor plan for where the seats and that are going to go. So yeah, we don't actually get a lot to do with this. All we've got to do is install a little switch. So let me show you that first. Let's get to the actual build instructions in here. So yeah, just one page, one step. All we've got to do is fit the headlight dimmer foot switch. And that's just this little part here. We're just going to push that into that little hole there. We do get an additional part, which is the gas pedal. We don't actually use that in this issue, so we've got to keep that handy for next time. So yeah, not a lot to do, as I said. So we'll take a quick peek at what's coming up next time, just to put a bit more filler in here. So we're going to be adding some speakers. So we're going to put a speaker there right in the center, and then we're going to add some carpets in the next issue, so that's something to look forward to as well. So yeah, I told you there wasn't a lot to do, so I think this one is probably going to be one of the quickest videos I've ever done. So yeah, let's get it open and start building. There we are. We've got that out of the packaging, and it's an impressive size. I'll show you. There's my hand, so you can see the actual size that is. It's a big part. So this is where the main seats are going to go here. The front seat dash panel is obviously going to sit roughly around about here. And then the seat's going to sit here. So we do get, in this one, we get this one here, which is the gas pedal. We don't install that today, but we just keep that spare. The only thing we do get is this part here. This little tiny part here. So we are going to be installing this, and that is just going to go just down here. We do have a little hole just here. We're just going to take this part. We're just going to plug this into there, just like so. Little push. There we are. I don't think you're going to need to glue that or anything, but yeah, that's that in there now. So yeah, that's all we need to do in this issue, is just install that little switch just there. So yeah, so make sure you keep your gas pedal somewhere safe, because we're going to need this. Probably, do we need it in the next issue? Let's have a look. Let's bring the actual magazine itself and have a look. Yes, we do need it in the next issue. As you can see there, we do install it in the next issue. So make sure you keep it safe until we do the next one. And that is it, guys. Told you that was going to be so quick. That was probably the quickest video I've ever done. But yeah, you do get issues like that every now and again. But yeah, swings and roundabouts, isn't it? So yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye-bye.